Enjoy watching the reconstruction of this old house and garden. This video is about installing a small water system for the house. When using Teflon thread sealing tape, the number of revolutions depends on the size of the thread and the thickness of the tape. Be aware of this. Some fittings can only be tightened from the inside, so you will need a special tool. When working with Teflon thread seal tape, the most important thing to remember is not to unscrew the fittings and valves after they reach the final position. Otherwise, you will have a leakage. This guy puts in the water tap and the outside sink is done. Take a look at the other videos and track the impressionable reconstruction.